Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video, I will teach you how you can create a business logo or your brand logo in just 1 minute. Is it amazing? Yes, this is very amazing. So guys, you don't need any graphic designer and you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So let's go to fiverr.com. If you don't know about Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing platform where you can sell your service and earn money through it. So Fiverr.com, I click on this. After that, I write here logo design. We have to check that there is a demand of this skill or not. So as you can see, 212 means 2,12,839 services available, which means this is a very high demanding skill and competition is high, but we have to adjust. So after that, I open one of the gig, design logo with cute anime moscat in Japanese style, not this one, and like create a professional minimalist business logo design. That's good. So in this, he got 4.9 star reviews of 4,929 and 60 orders in queue. Great. So in basic package, he charged $25 and provides two concept included: logo transparency, vector file, printable file, include 3D mockup, source file, social media kit. Standard, he charged $95, two concept included, logo transparency, vector file, these all things. In premium, he charged $150 and three concept included and many other things. So guys, you can also analyze his gig, but do not copy his gig. I also made a uh, video of a copywriting tool which name is copy.ai. You can search this video on my channel and write your gig description with the help of AI. You can also get idea, but do not copy his gig. So that's it for our freelancing part, and let's go to a website from which you can make a logo in under 1 minute. So the website name is logo.com. Logo.com. Free logo maker, over 20 million logos made. So that's it. Enter your business name. Suppose I have a bakery. So John Bakers. This is a dummy details. Make a logo. It is verifying. So wait for some seconds. So it is, there is a problem. So let's check. Yeah, it is solved. Sometimes it have some problems due to high traffic. Enter your slogan. Best cakes in the town. Continue. Enter your industry. Bakery. Color. So I would like to choose like red color. Continue. You have to choose a font style. So I like classy. Continue. With icon, without icon, with icon. The words will help us write icons for your logo. Yeah, cakes, bakers, town. Continue. And it is generating our logo. Wait for some seconds and it provides us different options of logo. So these are good logos. I like this one. I love this one. And this is also very good logo. This is a good logo. This is a good logo. This is a good logo. And as you can see, it provides us different logos. And the list is going on and on. And you can make, you can provide 30 variants. The Fiverr gig provides only three concepts. You can provide 10 of concepts. You have many options. So this is a great website. So you can make your logo for your own or for your client's business. So this is a good website to work on, and this is a good skill. So start practicing, and that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.